Want to create professional slides for free? Let me show you how Google NotebookLM can turn your PDFs, documents, website links, YouTube videos, and ideas into clean, polished presentations in seconds. No design skills, no paid tools, just powerful AI doing everything for free. Without further delay, let's dive in. Hey, this is Shujat Ahmad, and you're watching AI Ustad 2.0. Let's go to Google and search for Google Notebook LM, then click the very first link. The link is also provided in the description of this video. This is the homepage of Google Notebook LM, your research and thinking partner, grounded in the information you trust and built with the latest Gemini models. Here you can upload various sources, such as PDF files, website links, and YouTube video links. You can also upload audio files, connect Google Documents, and more. Notebook LM gives you instant insights with all your sources organized in one place. The Sources feature is not just about answers. It's a core functionality that shows you exactly where Notebook LM fetches its information from, ensuring transparency and accuracy. The Listen and Learn on the Go feature allows you to upload audio and transform it into engaging deep dive discussions with just one click. What makes Notebook LM truly powerful is its versatility. You can upload lecture recordings, text chapters, and research papers, then ask questions tailored to your specific needs. You can organize your thinking by uploading source material and letting Notebook LM create polished presentations. It can also spark new ideas when you upload brainstorming notes, marketing research, or competitor analysis. Now go to the top of the page and click on Try Notebook LM. From here, you can see your previous projects where you've used Notebook LM for different purposes. However, in this video, we'll focus specifically on how to generate free presentations using Google Notebook LM. Click on Create New. From this interface, you can create audio overviews, import content from websites, search for new resources, use web and drive connections, and leverage Notebook LM for both fast research and deep research. These are the main and most important features of Google Notebook LM. You can drop your files here, upload PDF documents, paste links from any website or YouTube video, upload documents directly from Google Drive, or simply copy and paste text to generate a presentation completely free. Now click on Upload to select a file from your computer. Choose your file and click Open. Once your file uploads successfully, you'll see your resources listed on the left side of the canvas. In the center, you can see an overview of your PDF file. At the bottom, you'll find suggested questions related to your PDF, or you can type a custom question according to your needs. In the prompt bar, I'll type, "Write the key points of this PDF file," and press Enter. It takes a few seconds to extract the important points from your PDF. Once the search is complete, you can see all the key points from your PDF file displayed clearly. With the help of this advanced free AI tool, we can extract useful information effortlessly. On the right side of the canvas, you'll notice several generation options. Using your uploaded source, you can generate an audio overview, a briefing document, a mind map, a study guide, a timeline, flashcards, MCQs, an FAQ section, and most importantly for our purpose, slides for free. Now to generate a presentation, simply click on Slides. It takes a few seconds to create a presentation based on your PDF file, so be patient. Once your presentation is ready, click on the source to view it. As you can see, our presentation is complete, and we created it entirely for free using Google Notebook LM. Let's expand the viewer to see our presentation in full screen. Everything is perfectly formatted. Our presentation is attractive, professional, and easy to understand. You'll notice different images have been incorporated throughout the slides, making the presentation more visually appealing and accessible for any audience. You can also share your presentation with friends or colleagues. To save it locally, click on Download. Once the download is complete, let's open the presentation we created using Google Notebook LM. Amazing! We've created a professional presentation from a PDF file completely free. This is truly a game-changing tool. You can easily generate presentations tailored to your specific needs without spending a single penny. So that's how you can use Google NotebookLM to generate professional presentations completely free. This powerful AI tool saves you hours of work by automatically extracting key information from your PDFs, documents, and other sources, then transforming them into visually appealing slides. Try out this amazing AI tool for yourself and let us know your thoughts in the comments section. Besides, don't forget to subscribe to AI Ustad 2.0 for the latest updates about AI tools and trends.